That's it, Ottawa. I'm heading to the airport now and I'm excited because I'm going back to Calgary. Flying with WestJet Boeing 737-700. It's an Ottawa to Calgary flight. But first, I'm just gonna head down to Paris 2000 because I left my luggage in there. This is the ticket that they gave me. Oh no, there's no one in here. So if you're planning to roam around Ottawa and you have luggage, you can leave it here for $5. The prices here. Security took too long. It was the longest security I've been so far because there were so many passengers and there was just only one line. So they changed my gate. The boarding pass I had shows gate 24. Screens in the airport, it's showing at gate 26. Open arms, Ottawa. Yes, we're boarding, guys. Yes, we're boarding. And that's our aircraft. So this is it, guys. Goodbye, Ottawa. It was fun. Welcome to Calgary, guys. I'm happy to be home. That's it, Ottawa. I'm heading to the airport now and I'm excited because I'm going back to Calgary. It was fun, almost 3 days, so we'll see and watch out for my next vlog because I will be traveling again next week. There we go, thank you, Lord. So, there we go, guys, and welcome to another episode of my vlog and another trip report. I just got off from the bus and I'm heading to the airport now because I'm going back home and I'm flying with WestJet Boeing 737-700. It's an Ottawa to Calgary flight. But first, I'm just gonna head down to Paris 2000 because I left my luggage in there. This is the ticket that they gave me to recover the luggage. So we're just gonna head there for now. So, we're in the south side. Open sesame. There we go, guys. This is actually the arrival area. Oh, are they closed? Oh no, not yet. It's arrival. And picking up my luggage here. The cost of it was for $5 actually, so it's not too bad. There's no one in here. Oh no, there's no one in here. So if you're planning to roam around Ottawa and you have luggage, you can leave it here for $5. These are the prices here. So there we go. I just got my luggage, guys, and I'm heading to the terminal. That was crazy because I waited for long there and I was really planning to go to WestJet terminal because I wanted to ask if they can switch my seat to a window one instead of a middle one. I don't know, because like when I was in Calgary they were able to switch it for me. I don't know with WestJet if they are able to do it. So, oh, looks like they're busy here, guys. So these are all their flights and my flight is there. Huh? No. Oh, there we go. I was surprised because it shows 6:05 and it's Air Canada. But I'm flying with Calgary WestJet today. It's now 7. So yeah, good. This is how their airport looks like, guys. Oh no. There are so much in line, guys, so I decided to just go to the gate and probably ask the people in the gate if they can switch anything for me. That will be good, but if not, that's okay. I'll take whatever seat assigned. But it's already 6:05, so our flight will be leaving in 50 minutes and I'm still here. Well, basically I'm checked in already, so I just have to go to security, which is here. So this is different. Airside, guys. There's not that much aircraft here, so it's okay. But there's an Air Canada there. So security took too long. Actually, I don't know why, but it was the longest security I've been so far because there were so many passengers and there was just only one line. And I don't even know what my gate is. This is how their airport looks like. They changed my gate. The boarding pass I have shows gate 24. And according to the screens in the airport, it's showing at gate 26. So it's just 2 gates away. So guys, this is going to be my flight tonight. Is WestJet WS613 Ottawa to Calgary. We'll be leaving at 6:55 at gate 24 and we'll be arriving in Calgary at 9:22 p.m. at C55. And we'll try to check here. It's gonna show us where the plane is. So this is our plane. Oh, it's from Calgary actually. Calgary to Ottawa. Okay. So they're gonna be doing a roundabout trip. And it's gonna be arriving soon. If we check the aircraft, where is it? The plane is actually in Winnipeg right now. And there you go. We'll search that registration to see the history of the plane. So this is going to be our plane tonight. A Boeing 737-700. So it's a smaller one. So this one is 14.5 years old. And it was originally delivered to WestJet on November of 2007. There you go, guys. Airport, guys. With open arms, Ottawa. Lounge. The airport is pretty neat, actually. It's just that there's not that much option for food. Oh, wow. I guess we're boarding, guys. Are we? Like it. Where are the people there at my gate? I guess we're boarding already. Yes, we're boarding. And that's our aircraft. Holy. It's our flight. So this is it, guys. Goodbye, Ottawa. It was fun. Just heading to the aircraft now. It's amazing. There you go.
Our flight time today will be 4 hours 2 minutes, and we have the pleasure of flying with Captain Stu, First Officer Clayton. We have the pleasure of working with Jason up by row 4, Leslie up here with me, and my name is Adesukami. As your safety is important to us, we ask for your attention as we review the following safety information. There's a safety features card located at your seat which indicates the safety features of this aircraft. Please take it out and follow along as we cover some very important information. Seatbelt and no smoking signs are visible throughout the cabin. Please comply with them at all times. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaporizers, as well as consuming non-alcohol, including duty-free, is prohibited. And whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt across your hips. To fasten, insert the flap and into the buckle, pull on the strap to tighten, and to release, lift the top of the buckle. As turbulence may occur without warning, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times.
Consultez votre carte des mesures de sécurité pour connaître votre position de protection. Ne prenez aucun bagage avec vous en cas d'évacuation et suivez les directives de l'équipage. Il y a au total 6 sorties de secours, soit 2 hublots de sortie.
Prepare for departure.
Almost there, guys. 1 more hour and we're landing. I slept all throughout the flight, so I wasn't really able to do anything. And I'm currently here in the laboratory as always. So we just have the sink here. So it's big mirror. It's pretty basic. It's almost quite the same for all WestJet planes. It's very small, but it's not too bad if you're just looking or whatsoever. And welcome to Calgary, guys. I'm happy to be home, and sadly I don't have any footage of our landing here in Calgary or whatsoever because I was just so tired and I was just asleep the whole time. So I don't know how is this going to be. I don't know how this trip report will end up. We actually landed in Terminal C. And the big screen here. So tired. I'm just so tired now, guys. I guess that's it for this vlog. So thank you again so much for coming with me on this trip, and see you again next week because I'm flying again. Again, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button with the bell to get notified whenever I have a new video like this one. Thank you and have yourself a great night. Bye.